Okay, so I'm still doing 14-2 and we're still learning about angles. So there's more angles to learn about. Before we do that, we're going to learn about more geometric terms. Okay? So we have a line segment. It's part of a line with two endpoints. Okay? So remember we said that these little dots are called points, okay? Well, now these dots, they make a line and there's a dot at one end and the dot at the other end. Those are called line segments. They have two endpoints, okay? These are my endpoints. The next one, a ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and continues on forever in one direction, okay? So it has one endpoint, okay? And it continues on forever in one direction, okay? So this little dot right here, that's my endpoint, but as you notice, there's an arrow at the end of it. So it has the endpoint here, but it's going to continue going on and on and on, okay? So it says here, angles are formed by two intersecting lines or by rays that have the same endpoints. Angles are given special names depending on their measures, okay? So we're going to learn about our angles. Of course, we have the right angle. We know it's a right angle because it has a square corner, okay? I can also say that SpongeBob can fit perfectly in my right angle, so I know that's a right angle, okay? Next is an acute angle. An acute angle is open less than a right angle, okay? So an acute angle, I will not be able to make a square corner, okay? Also, if I have my SpongeBob cannot fit in my acute angle like it does in the right angle, okay? So acute angle is open less than a right angle. And it even shows you, this is a right angle, but my acute opens here, okay? It's less than a right angle. One of our new angles that we're going to learn is called an obtuse angle, okay? An obtuse angle is open more than a right angle, okay? So this is a this is a right angle right here, but my obtuse, it starts right here. It opens more, okay? So another way to think of it is, if I take my SpongeBob, SpongeBob fits here, but he's able, SpongeBob fits here, but he's able to dance. Okay, he can go on this side, and then if he wants to, he can be like, okay, I'm gonna go on this side. So he can dance on this angle. He has room to wiggle on this angle. He can go here, or he can go here. Okay, that's how I know it's an obtuse angle. Okay, so remember, an obtuse angle is it's open more than a right angle. Okay. Our next one is called a straight angle. A straight angle forms a straight line. Okay, so that's our key word, straight line. Okay, so just think, a straight angle, it's a straight line. It says it in the name, okay? Going back to my obtuse angle, an obtuse angle is more than a right angle because a right angle starts here and goes here. An obtuse is right here, okay? But an obtuse angle is less than a straight line, okay? Because my straight line is just, it opens up all the way, okay? And on a straight line, like I said, it says it in the name, straight angle, straight line. SpongeBob will fit right there, okay, on the top, okay? So just to go over it with our angles, we have a right angle. We have an acute angle. It's small, it's acute. We have an obtuse angle, and we have a straight angle, okay? So with SpongeBob, remember, SpongeBob can fit perfectly in the right angle. He cannot fit in the acute angle, but he can dance in the obtuse angle, okay? And he can sit on top of the straight angle, okay? Those are our angles.